If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Discord, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it through your web browser by logging into your account. Step 2. Navigate to User Settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface to open User Settings. Step 3. Go to Billing Settings. In the User Settings menu, scroll down and select the Billing option. This section contains all your transaction and payment information. Step 4. Find the pending transaction. Look for the section that lists your recent transactions. Identify the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the extra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your pending transaction should be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.